Here's how I remove my dip powder nails right at home, no drill and no damage. First, you need to remove that shiny top coat. So I'm going to grab a 100/180 grit nail file and just start filing off that top layer. So basically, the more you file, the less time you'll have to soak. So it's really personal preference. I just kind of file until I'm like, okay, I don't want to do this anymore. But the thinner you can get the product, the faster this process will be. Just make sure you're not going down and filing into your nail. For the removal, you're going to need 100% acetone. I get this from Target. And then I'm also going to use these McCart pre-made little foil wraps. You can also use cotton balls and aluminum foil, but this is so much easier and just convenient. So I like to use them, up to you. And then I'm going to take that little pad and fill it with the acetone and then just kind of wrap it around my nail and fold down the top. And then I'll just squeeze the entire foil so that it's tight on my nail. I waited about 10 minutes and this is what my nail is looking like. There's still some product stuck on there and I don't want to force it off. I see that all the time. That's why I also don't use the metal tools because I'm just trying to take off the product, not my nail. So I'm going to give it a light file and then put the wrap back on for a few minutes just to finish soaking it off. And then once I took it off, pretty much all of it was gone. I'm just going to take a cotton ball and some acetone and just wipe off anything that's left. And here's how your nail should look, still healthy. It's not peeling or ripped up or anything. And they probably are dry from all the acetone, so I like to just finish off with some cuticle oil, let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then wash my hands.